Footage has probably the best tooling and equipment in the market.
We pride ourselves in being able to service our product in a timely manner and keep the customer happy.
We help our clients every step of the way.
Successes we've had is because of the safety factor and the things that they've thought of.
Before it was officially known as Footage, it was in the late 70s. We started off as a little repair shop. Some of the products that we were repairing, obviously those products weren't perfect, and that we saw where the flaws and the errors were. In 1982, the company became known as Footage.
I started in 1978. I started with a company called Cliffside Pipe Layers. Footage was part of that.
Average tenure here is 14 years, and I've been here for 35 years.
Started as shop helper and moved up to service coordinator.
Yeah, probably my most memorable moment here at Footage Tools, my tenure at Footage Tools, was way back in 1999 when we signed a contract with a large company in the US to manufacture specialized tapping tools for them.
Some of the monumental changes over the years have definitely been the manufacturing processes and the equipment that we use to manufacture our products. Years ago, where some parts would maybe take 5 or 6 operations to machine a part, now we're able to do that in 1 or 2 operations.
Another pinnacle moment I would have to say is we've come into a new facility that's double the size of our old facility. It allowed us to bring in new machinery to diversify our product line.
Different services have evolved with Footage and our squeeze-offs. We can do maintenance for them, service maintenance, and also training.
What I like about Footage is we all work together. We all work for each other.
Our key product line is our squeeze-off tool line. It's used to basically squeeze off polyethylene gas pipe, both the repair and installation, ranging anywhere from 1/2 inch right up to 12 inch.
And from steel, we can do from 3/4 inch up to 12 inch for steel.
We've sold US, Colombia, New Zealand, Australia, Japan,
Chile, Argentina,
China, Netherlands, UK, and recently Bangladesh.
It's amazing coming to work understanding that your tools are being used all over the world.
Some of our tools have extensive subcontract operations involved, where there could be 5 or 6 operations. The processing though could take anywhere from 8 to 12 weeks for certain tools.
All the calculations are done, a lot of testing is done on the prototypes. When we are ready to start manufacturing, whether it be 15, 20 steps, at every single step parts are inspected. And then when we do an assembly, each sub-assembly process is inspected. And then once the final assembly is complete, we do 100% of the testing.
Some of the tools that Footage offers are underground piercing tools, our Big Shot line.
PE products, fusion equipment, service line replacement tools. Our brand name is the Big Shot. That's used to pound its way through the ground and pull in cables, pipes.
We really take in what the customer is looking for. We work closely with them to ensure their satisfaction. We recognize the importance of our tool that is being used in a critical environment.
So we're supplying our customer with a product that is using a quality standard that is above and beyond.
Footage has helped our company from the standpoint of looking at this product segment in this market and enabling us to grow not only for our own personal benefit, but for the benefit of the customer.
Their products are actually kind of universal.
Our focus is on their squeeze tools and also their Big Shot piercing tool. No one makes a finer tool in the industry. The alloy that Footage utilizes in manufacturing their squeeze tools is aluminum grade, aircraft grade aluminum. And for us, that means lighter weight tools. So with the aircraft grade aluminum, it allows us ergonomics that enables the users to not have to use specially handling equipment.
The support that we get from their sales staff, their sales people that we work with, their regional reps that travel with our reps promoting product are so knowledgeable, so good with the customer, so helpful as far as getting back to the customer, as far as speed of a repair or something that needs to be dealt with.
Our relationship with Footage dates back well beyond 10 years. Working with Footage, we've developed a relationship beyond business. It's truly a personal connection that we have with them. Footage has a very dedicated, committed, professional relationship with their customer base, very responsive.
This is not an organization that manufactures a product and relies on other people to go out and be the expert and the liaison. They're in the ditch, they're in the trenches, they're working with the customer side by side.
We rarely ever have to wait on deliveries. I think they do an excellent job in forecasting.
Footage makes our lives easier every single day. From being creative as far as the programs that they develop with stocking products, how we can work around problems that we have.
Very knowledgeable staff, very responsive staff, a very personable group of people. The relationship Footage has with the customers is something that they appreciate daily. They work very hard to ensure that the customer is getting what they want and that they're exceeding their expectations.